So friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to edit photos by speaking. You can do any kind of editing, just speak. It's completely free. Now let's move forward and understand the detailed process of how to carry out the editing tasks. Friends, to start, turn on your phone's internet. Watch the video in full screen. Don't miss anything. Today we will use Google Gemini. Don't have Gemini? Go to the Play Store. Download Google Gemini. Next, open the Gemini app. Once it's open, you need to adjust the setting. You'll see the language setting is currently in English. If you want to change the language to Bengali or any other language, click here. Then you'll find the settings option below. Click on it. Next, locate the language option and click on it. I've now selected the Bengali language. Next, click on Restart Gemini. Now everything is displayed in Bengali. Whatever you say in Bengali, it will respond accordingly. So here, the photo you want to edit, select that photo. I'll select a photo here, then click on the right side. At this juncture, you should proceed by clicking on the microphone icon, which will enable you to commence the editing process. Once you have done that, you can then start speaking in order to initiate the photo editing process. You can easily add an emoji to your photo by simply saying add an emoji to the photo, and the app will understand your command even if there are minor spelling mistakes. For example, if you want to include an emoji in your photo, you just need to say add an emoji to the photo and the app will comprehend your command even if there are a few spelling errors. So you can see the photo is now ready. It's in a pink dress with an emoji. If you want to make more changes, you can. Simply add it here, and the background will change automatically, leaving you amazed by the results. For instance, you can see a beautiful flower garden background appearing here. You can observe the text displayed on the screen, and once again the background will change. So now you will notice that the background has switched to the Taj Mahal, which is quite impressive. You can easily download these edited photos by simply clicking on the download button provided, which will save the images directly to your phone's gallery for easy access. The photos will be stored in your phone's gallery. You can do some basic edits here, although not all editing features are available. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative editing tutorials. See you in the next video. Take care, everyone.